Let's go. Ayun na nga, nagkapitan na. So De La Cruz, jersey number 3. To number 18, no good. Fighting for the rebound. With fade away, no good pa rin. Wala mo lang unang puntos, ha? Wala pang unang puntos. Oh, out of bounds. And a jersey number 26, Latina. No good for the dress. What a pass. Good no pasa. Okay. Pass jersey number 6 to 17, De Leon. No good for that one-hand shot. And then a ball to unloading. Malodi. (20-34) and 2 points to jersey number 8. Ng puntos. Di ba tapos kayo naman? No good for that shot. And to number 3. Oh. At na po, Centro on the run. Centro, pass to number 11. What a back pass to 21 to 17. To number 6, no good. And rebound po. Oh! What a knockout play to jersey number 7. Score po natin 6-2 in favor of unloading. And there's a block. Okay, Centro. Wow, what a pass. Wow, 2 points to jersey number 17. To jersey number 18. 26, Latina. To 34, Rojas. Bless you. Okay, number 6. To number 17, De Leon. No good for that layup. And a pass break to De La Cruz, number 3. 2 points. Centro, number 6. And there's a steal. Number 8. To unloading number 8. And there's a steal. (17) ang kami papasahan to number 10, Glee. Napakagandang beating yun, pero kinapos lang talaga. Centro, number 6. Yohoy! Sobra. 21, no good. Another try. To unloading, De La Cruz. Pasok 18. No good. Pinapalo up ng teammates. Short pa rin, pero bola ng Centro. Centro, all on move. To number 6, 2 points. Number 3. Whoa! What a 3 points! Batching. To number 17, De Leon, pass to 21. To number 6. Local for the dress. Glee for the follow-up. Very short. And rebound for the unloading. Pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz on the run. Number 3. Pass to the lower zone. Wala. Another try. And 2 points. Nasaan? Nasistra ka? No. Hinahanap ko rin talaga eh. No? Number 8. Whoa! Wala 2 points. No good for 2 points. 15-12 points score natin for the first quarter of the game. 18. Up. To number 8. And there's a foul. Pass of De Leon. Tinatapatas ni number 18. De Leon with a pull-up J. No good. Oh, what a behind the back. And there's a steal by De La Cruz. But no, De La Cruz on the run. And De La Cruz layup. Too strong with a number 7. Pass to number 10. Number 10 setting on the play. Pass to Canlas. Number 15. 15. With a side step and teardrop. No good. And a pass break to De Leon. Number 17. Harap sa De La Cruz. And 2 points to De Leon. for the first quarter of the game. Binabati ko nga pala si My Loves. 18. Uy! 2 puntos. Number 11. Wala for the 3 points. Rebound by number 10 for the unloading. Oh, wala. Fighting for the rebound to number 3. Number 3 with a pass break pero wala to number 14. Siyempre. De La Cruz number 11. To De La Cruz again. Tumira. No good. Rebound by number 7. Number 15. Naghanap ng papasahan. End of the first quarter of the game. Number 6. Sguera. Uy, medyo mataas ang pasa but pass to 14. Mahuli. Rebound by number 10, Sakuragi. To 15, Canlas. Pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz. No good for that layup. Number 7. To 17 and to number 6. To number 10. And there's a foul committed. Fighting for the rebound. Rebound by number 10, Sakuragi. To unloading. To number 7, Latina. To De La Cruz. Setting on the play. Pass to the side. And at 2 points. Okay, number 15. 2 points to Jersey. Number 6, pass to number 17. De Leon. Dinodouble din si De Leon. De Leon with the fake. With the pull-up G. No good. To the 23. 2 points to Jersey. Jane na. Oo nga no. Nagulo. Nasaan? Wala naman eh. Two points to Jersey. Pass to number 6. Fires a 3. No good. Pero sa kanila pa rin. Centro ball. 8 seconds to shoot. No good. Paano pa na rin kanila pa rin. De Leon. And there's a steal. Number 15. And there's steal din. No good. Off the glass ang tira na yun. 23. Reyes, 23. 2 points to Jersey number 23. Setting on the play. 10 seconds to shoot para sa unloading. No good for that really from by Glee. And a fast break to number 6. Number 6. 2 points to Jersey number 6. 5 seconds. Pasa na lang po marinig nyo. She drop. Under the pick. 24. Pass to De La Cruz. 31. 3 points to Jersey. Esguera. Number 6. Pass to 17. Two points. Number 6. 2 points to Jersey number 6. Score natin. Setting on the play to the Jersey number 24 to unloading. Number 8. 8 seconds to shoot. Up. Oh, what a pass break. Ang gandang pagsay namin pero too strong ang kanyang tira. Number 24, nagbababa ng bola. 24. Pass to 31, back to 24. With a crossover pero nabitawan ng bola. Pass to jersey number 6, Esguera. Short. And dribble by number 10, Sakuragi. Number 24 on the run. 24. Number pass to number 8. Pero nabitaw ng bola. Makukuha ng ba? Nakuha ng 24. To number 5. 2 points. Number 6. Oh, makukuha ng ba? Number 8. No good. To number 6. Nakuha ng 18. Wala. Kapingan. Number 6. 23. No good for the 3 points. And there's a number 24 on the run of 24. And there's a block. Pero nakuha pa rin na nila. Number 8. Off the glass. To 23. Pass to number 6 to 17. Go. There's an offensive foul. Jersey number 14. To number 8. And a 2 points, sorry. Rather, 2 points. Naka-step on the line. Relax, relax. Number 7. Pinasas aside to 13. To De Leon. De Leon with a pick. Back to number 7. Whoa! And 3. Number 7. 7 lang po. And 3 points. Jersey number 31. To number 6. Nagbababa ng bola. Sige po, pag dead ball. Number 17. 2 points to jersey number 17. To number 6. No good. And a pass break to jersey number 3, De La Cruz. 2 points to jersey number 3. Number 7. To number 6, setting on the play. Score po natin 35-32. To 0-2. Whoa, on the glass to jersey number 6. Jersey number 3. 31 to De La Cruz. To 18. Ha? Baka siguro hindi na yun. Nagbababa ng bola. And pass to jersey number 6. Esguerra setting on the play. Number 3. Wala. Jersey number 02, 2 points. Number 3, De La Cruz setting on the play. 15 seconds to shoot. With a crossover. Pass to 18. Wala. With a follow-up. Grabe naman yung 18 na yun. Number 11, De La Cruz to 02. On the glass and 3 points. All 39 na po ang score natin. Yung ayun. Number 11, De La Cruz. Oh, what a steal. And there's a foul. To play. Pass to 14 to Glee to 21. No good with a follow-up. Wala pa rin. Fighting for the rebound. 2 points to jersey number 21. Itigal nga ako may isa. Oh, wala. Fighting for the rebound. With a turnaround shot on 18. 2 puntos. Grabe. 18 of number 3, De La Cruz. Wala. Nakuha lang ng sentro. 17 to 21. 2 points. Sentro ng 1 puntos. Time remaining 2 minutes and 40 seconds to play. 2 points lang. 2 points. Jersey number 21. Pass to number 11, De La Cruz. 17, De Leon. Dahan-dahan off. Number 7 to 11, mga para-paraan. Ayan. Off. 14. Two points to jersey number 7. Number 3. Wala. Number 04. Wala. Jersey number 3. De La Cruz. Kinaliwa. Grabe na po yung kaliwa na yun. Okay, pass break. To 18. Ay, to 14, sorry. And a foul counted. Jersey number 7. Wala 3 points. Tabla na. Wala. Oh yeah, brother versus brother. And rebound by Sakuragi, number 10. With a crossover. With a teardrop. Wala. Whoa! Wala tip in. Number 11, De La Cruz. Pass to 21. Another try, and there's a block again. 18. Pass to 14. Wala. Oh, nabitin sa pa. Oh, wala pa rin. And there's 14. Two points. Play. 3 seconds to play. Number 3. Meron pa? And it's a foul counted. 17. De Leon. To pass jersey number 6. Number 6 with a crossover. Gandang pass sa gitna. Number 12. 2 points sa jersey number 12. Araw na ka. Hop. Hop. To the side. Nakalit pa.
5 seconds.
Ayan na. Hoy, there's a block.
Diretso mo, diretso, diretso.
Jersey number 23. Pass to number 6. Pinipigilan si Klee. Ay nakuha ni number 10. To 15. No good for that layup. To jersey number 17. No good for one-handed shot. And a pass break to number 8. 2 points. Huh? 23. Number 3, De La Cruz.
Good.
Pass to number 8. Uy, medyo bitin ang bomba niya na yun. Pero sa kanila pa rin ang bola. 15. Pass to 24. We have a 10 seconds to shoot para sa unloading. Wala. Pass to 23. Uy. Wala. Niluwa. With the pull-up J to jersey number 3. Parang may sabay. Wala pong iwanan. Gara Ang mabubulong ng audience natin ay bibigyan po namin ng tigda 10,000 pesos and trip to Japan. Sir po, pag dead ball. At mapipiling audience po natin, bibigyan po natin ng mga pan-trip to Japan, Australia. Jersey number 6. Long pull. Very soon. Lain team drop mo na. Anong tawag doon? Long drop? Pag malapit, team drop. Oh! The base is number 6. Number 6. Oy! To number 17. Wala. Grabe naman libon sa Kuragi na yun. Grabe oh. Napahanga niya ako dun eh. Lodi na rin kita sa Kuragi. 24. Wala. Number 6. Number 6. Nagap na papasahan. Pass to number 10. 11. Pass to number 6 again. Sabay-sabay tayo. Okay. Tulungan kita. Merabil. Number 6. Naghahanap papasahan. Number 6 with a turnaround. Pass to Glee. Glee. No good with the reverse. Fighting for the rebound. Ang wala-walang ang unloading. With a pass break to 21. Napakalakas. Number 21. Jersey number 3. Up. Lagawan. With a pass break to number 6. Number 6. Pass to 21. Naitutok. Galing. Baba sa dalawa. 61-59 po ang score po natin mga kaibigan. Number 6. Wow! What a nice behind the back. 17. And time out. Unloading. Bukas, tahimik na po ang mundo ng court ng Tabang Looban. Ay, hindi pala. Binago na. Lumang bayan pala ito. Natatravel ako sa iba. Okay, 2 puntos. Yan na po. Yan na follow up. Buha po ng sentro. Number 10 to 17. 2 points to jersey number.
Sarado, sarado.
34. Wala. 17. Setting on the play. Pass to jersey number 6. To 21. 2 points to number 10. 24. Nakahanap ang papasahan. To 21. Boss, parang nag-iba. Pag dead. Okay. That's number 6. Okay. 6. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 11. No good for the press. Up. Jersey number 17 up. And there's a foul. Hindi mo na ako madadali sa ganyan. Nadali mo ako nung Number 8. Ako lang ba yun? Wala. Rebound by number 6. And a pass break to 17. Grabe naman yun. Parang 2-step na lang. Number 3, De La Cruz. Pull up G. 2 points. Mabait pa. Number 11, wide opposite dress. No goal but rebound by number 10, Sakuragi. And number 3 to 34. Rojas to number 8, Geronimo, 2 points. Grabe. Ako, burger time. Number 6, 15 seconds to shoot para sa sentro. What a nice pass! Pero sobra. Ang tira na yun ni Glee. Number 3, 2 points. 69. Lamang po ang 69. 2 points to jersey number 6 to the center. Esguerra. Number 8, 2 points to jersey. 8 and 39 seconds to play for the end of the third quarter of the game. Malapit nang marinig nyo ang tunog ng We Are the Champion. Sino kaya ang manurinig nun? Uy, number 10, Mailodi Sakuragi to number 3. No goal for the long three. Grabe talo ni Lodi. Nakakuha na lang. Number 8, wala pa rin. Pagkakagawan.
Paul si Axel, oh. 4 na yun. Apat.
Number 3. Wala. And to number 17 to number 6. 2 points to jersey number 6 to play. And there's a foul. And warning for penalty. 2 shots to jersey number 18. Len, lumalagpas ka na sa court. Halika na rito. Pampawi. Huwag mo dami yung kalsada. Hoy! Oho! Ano 2 points sa jersey number 15 seconds to play. Len, bukas pa tapad. Number 3. Kala yata, di ka. Okay, number 6. Pulang puntos. Parang gustong ano eh, no? Yun, no good.
Bodong.
17. Ayun na, nakabuelo na. No good, pero fighting for the rebound. Oh, yung upuan po ng Mono Black. Hindi. Kulay green po. Pakibalik naman po dito. Nakita na kayo sa CCTV. Yung Mono Black po na kulay green.
Push!
Okay.
Boy, baba, boy!
75-78. Tatlo na po ang kalamangan ng sentro. Ayun na po. Op. Number 10 to 23. Wala. Number 10. Pass to jersey number 3. Wala. Number 3. Huli. Pass to jersey number 18. No good. Two points. 2 points. Oh, pang pampuhay others talaga yung mga ano nyo, ha? Shoot o wala? Shoot o wala? Grabe, man. Grabe. Aming fans ng sentro. Sino kayong mga type nila dyan? Two points. To jersey number 11. Number 10. To number 11. 2 points. Number 10. Wala.
Nice. Check. Nice. Let's go.
Jersey number 6.
Nice.
Whoa! What a step back to... Baka tumagos tayo parehas dito. Kapingan. Number 17. 2 points to jersey number 17. 76 to 88 ang score po natin in favor of Centro. And there's a traveling violation call.
Ikot bola, ikot.
Jersey number 6. Pass to 17. To jersey number 6. To 23, Reyes. No good, pero naki-70 pa rin ang bola. Bola pa rin po ng Centro. We have a 10 seconds to shoot. Number 6. No good for that layup. Nakuha ni number 6 to number 11. Wala. Wala pa rin. Wala ang kanyang super layup. And there's a foul. Wala. Meron, sorry. Substitution. Mga kaibigan. Uhuy! Mga kaibigan. Huwag kayo dyan sa likod ko, baka lumubog tayo. Third personal foul. And there's a foul. Oh. Gi. Number 10 to 17. 2 points. 24. 2 points to jersey number 24.
Kalma. Pasok ka na ng Pership. Next year ulit. Sabi mo ay nagbigay ng jersey.
Oh. 5 seconds to shoot.
Bang.
In and out. Number 3. Good sportsman. Masarap na laro. Number 10. No good. Jersey number 17. Ohoy! No good. Foul jersey number 23. And number 3, De La Cruz. Huli. Number 6. 11. Pass to jersey number 6.
Paulin mo. Para lang. Paulin nyo.
To 34. Ohoy! 2 points. 81-90 ang score po natin. 81-90 po ang score natin for the last and final quarter of the game. Sino kaya matutugtugan ng We Are the Champion? At sino na lang ang mag-celebrate ng Let's Toast Together? And reserve timeout. And third timeout ang Centro. There's a traveling by Skiller. Number 6. Last 4 minutes for the end of the fourth quarter of the game. For the finals between Centro and Unloading. 17, 2 points. Look. Fighting for the rebound, 34. Short. Number 6. One of his address. And 3 points. Two points to jersey number 18.
3 minutes.
To number 6 to the Centro. Using the time, De Leon, 17. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Oh. Jersey number 3. 2 points to jersey number. Jersey number 17. Hoy! And a turnover. 24 on the run. 2 points. Tama daw. 87-98.
Lapit ba?
Pass to 21. Same ball. Number. Jersey number 23. And last two. Brought to you by jersey number 10. Number 10. Sa ilalim with the one hand, no good. Fighting for the rebound. Fighting for the ball, for the reaching. Score po natin 89-100. Time remaining 1 minute and 40 seconds to play. And De La Cruz, pass to jersey number 6. With a crossover and there's a foul completed. Okay, number 11. There's a foul counted. Foul. Graduate na si 8. Wala. Jersey number 6. Pass to jersey number 17, De Leon to 23. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Same ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Naku, nangangamoy na. We have a 55 seconds to play na lang po for the end of the last quarter of the game. Number 3, wide open sa tres. Jersey number 11. Number 6, 15 seconds to shoot. And a pass break to 24. 18. 2 points. 20 seconds to play. Okay. And who? The champion! The champion! Centro!